Let's give some of our lace, trims, and fabrics a more vintage look by tea dyeing. First, you need to prepare your tea. You can use instant tea, but in this case, I have used tea bags and boiled some water and let the tea cool first. And now you can see that I'm submerging laces and trims and even a zipper to give them a more vintage look. I did use caramel tea because I wanted my laces and trims to have a little bit of a sweet caramel smell. So choose whatever flavor or not flavor that you would like to give it that scent you want. I'm completely submerging them. Be sure to press down and make sure that everything is absolutely submerged and soaked very well. Now that that is done, I am going to let the laces soak for at least 1 hour so that they are nice and stained. Now I'm going to squeeze the excess tea out and lay it on a little towel to soak up any excess. Now I'm going to roll the lace up in the towel and I'm going to squeeze out any excess moisture. Be careful to keep it nice and bundled so that you're not stretching any of your laces or fabrics out of form. Now that the excess moisture is out, we can hang them up to dry. I do recommend hanging over putting in the dryer. You can if you want to risk shrinkage, but I like my laces as they are, and so I put them in a sunny window. And now they are dry and you can see the beautiful difference. I just love the look that that gives. Even my zipper took the tea very